It is Tuesday, February 20th, 2024. This is JR and Duke going up on an APS flight of your life. And away we go.
There we go.
Gateway ground, upset 1, taxi with India via Far East.
Upset 1, gateway ground, runway 12 right, taxi by Yankee Echo Bravo, hold short Golf on Bravo.
Taxi 12 right, Yankee Echo Bravo, hold short of Golf on Bravo, upset 1. Clear right, clear left.
Do not go and get with clearance sequence on request. Don't currently have anything.
Gateway ground, career track 430 is holding short at the ramp with information India. Request a Johnson's Ranch departure.
All right, JR, we're going to just do a quick run up over here on the right.
Okay.
All right, right here we go.
Career track 430.
Just riching it up a little bit.
Echo, hold short of Golf.
Right, Echo, hold short.
There we go, that's cleaning the engine up a little bit.
430.
Career track 430, you read back with step down taken.
12 right via Yankee Echo, hold short Golf in the Old Bay, career track 430.
2607, gateway ground, text depart via Hotel Yankee.
Hotel Yankee, Sioux 607.
Lindbergh 3379, gateway clearance. Cleared to Sierra Tango Lima Airport via the Fort Hills 6 departure. Maxo transition.
Okay, that's all good. Mag checks are good.
Then as filed. On departure,
Pulling it out a little bit again.
Maintain 4000.
All right, JR, just check your seatbelt over again. Make sure especially those two big buckles, make sure that they're done up.
They're pretty good.
It's all good, okay. I am good as well. Just watch your knees for flight control check. Up, down, elevator. And that's good. Okay, alternator is good. Oil pressure and temperature are both up.
Lindbergh 3379. We have, say the name of the departure again. It was something today.
Okay, all right.
Career track 658, expedite exit, turn right.
We are ready to go here. During the takeoff, JR, just listen carefully to my instructions, you know, in case there's any issues. And throughout the flight, just remember the canopy handle on your left side there, the red handle.
Yes, yes sir.
Just try to keep your hand and elbow away from it unless we really need to use it, okay?
Okay, got you.
All right, sounds good. Are you ready to go?
Yes sir, I'm ready,
okay.
thank you.
Here we go. I'll call for takeoff. Gateway tower, upset 1, short of Golf, ready.
Yes.
Upset 1, gateway tower, taxi to be a Golf, hold short, runway 12 right.
Hold short, 12 right on Golf, upset 1.